Your bedroom is clean. Maybe you even have nice furniture, but something still feels off, flat, cheap, like it's missing something you can't quite name. It's not your furniture that's doing it. It's a handful of small details. Details that are quietly making your room look temporary. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, and how to fix every single one, without renovating, without spending a fortune, and without your landlord ever knowing. Stay with me through number 4, because that one makes the biggest visual difference, and it's the one almost everyone gets wrong. Mistake number 1. Your overhead light is on. That single ceiling light is doing more damage to your bedroom than almost anything else in the room. It flattens everything, it removes shadow, it removes warmth, and it makes even expensive furniture look basic. Luxury spaces almost never use overhead lighting in a bedroom. They use layered light. 2 sources, minimum, always warm-toned, always at eye level or below. The fix is simple. Switch your overhead off in the evening. Add 2 matching lamps, 1 on each side of the bed. They don't have to be expensive, they just need to match. And be warm. That one change alone will make your bedroom feel like a completely different room. Mistake number 2. Short curtains. This is the fastest way to make a bedroom look cheap, and it's everywhere. When curtains stop at the window frame, they chop the room in half visually. The ceiling drops, the walls shrink. The whole space feels small and temporary. The fix is a trick designers use in every single project. Hang your curtain rod as high as possible, as close to the ceiling as you can get it, and let the curtains fall all the way to the floor. You're not changing the window. You're just repositioning where the eye travels, and suddenly, the room feels twice as tall. Linen curtains in white, ivory, or soft linen always look more expensive than printed or synthetic fabric. No drill rods work perfectly for renters. Links are in the description. Mistake number 3. The naked bed problem. A single duvet on a flat bed reads as temporary. There's no visual weight, no texture, no depth. Luxury hotel beds look expensive because of layering, not because the sheets cost more. Here's the formula. Start with your duvet as the base. Add 2 Euro pillows, the big square ones, behind your regular sleeping pillows. Then fold a textured throw across the foot of the bed. 3 layers. Done. Your bed now looks like it belongs in a boutique hotel. Number 4. And this is the one I promised you. Your bed has no anchor. A bed without a headboard floats in the room. There's no visual weight at the top. Nothing to draw the eye. The whole setup looks unfinished. The headboard is the most important piece of visual furniture in a bedroom. It grounds the entire room. It makes everything else, the pillows, the lamps, the layering, look intentional. For renters, a freestanding headboard needs no drilling and no wall damage, if a headboard isn't in the budget right now. One oversized framed print hung directly above the bed creates the same anchoring effect, at least 24 by 36 inches. One large piece will always do more than 5 small ones scattered across the wall. Number 5. Your nightstand is either empty or cluttered. Both read as unfinished. The formula is simple. 5 items maximum. Your lamp, a small tray, 1 book, 1 small object, a candle or a plant. That's it. The tray is the key. It's the difference between things on a surface and a styled moment. It contains the chaos and makes everything look deliberate. Last one, and this one isn't visual, but it changes how expensive your bedroom feels more than almost anything else. Scent. A bedroom that smells clean, warm, and intentional. Feels expensive before you even look at anything. A simple reed diffuser in a neutral scent, linen, sandalwood, or white tea, runs quietly in the background and changes how your entire room feels every time you walk in. Quick recap. Overhead light off. 2 warm lamps on instead. Curtains hung high, falling all the way to the floor. Bed layered, duvet, Euro pillows, textured throw, headboard added, or oversized art to anchor the wall. Nightstand styled, 5 items, 1 tray, and a quiet scent that makes the room feel complete. None of these require renovation. None will cost you your security deposit. Every single one is the difference between a bedroom that looks temporary and one that feels designed. If this was helpful, subscribe. It genuinely helps me keep making these. I'll see you in the next one.